What if I told you that almost $300 million worth of prop firm funding has been unlocked with one piece of software? Learning to trade no longer takes years, months, or even weeks. People can get going just in a matter of days using this software. Now, I'm going to show you the exact software that can do this for you. So most traders spend years learning a strategy, testing it, seeing if it's even going to work in a live market environment. Trust me, I know. We sit at the screen for hours and hours, wasting years of our life, and it is now so much simpler. This is next gen, and it's unlike any trading system in the world. Now, right here is your new best friend. It's our Wizard AI strategy builder. It already has hundreds of thousands of strategies pre-built, tested, and ready for you to use. I've just asked it what it can trade. Here we can see so many different options, all of the main forex pairs, as you can see, even some indexes, the German index, gold, futures, even gold and silver. There's literally hundreds of strategies and timeframes available to us pre-made. I'm now going to ask it for a specific strategy. So let's have a look at strategies for gold. So I've now asked it for specific strategies. I'm asking it for a gold strategy on the 30-minute time frame. And it's given us results straight away. So here we can see 12 months worth of tested data for these pre-made strategies. These strategies are ranging anywhere from 110% profit a year to 105%, anywhere from 3.8% drawdown all the way down to 2.5% drawdown. And this one here has a 71% strike rate. Now, these aren't made up numbers. This is based on 12 months worth of back tested data with this strategy using our automated trading system. Now, I like the look of line 10 and some of the settings that it has. Now, I like the look of line 10. This is a strategy that is very much within my criteria and something that I would look to use on a prop firm. All I need to do is request the settings for this strategy. So now we're going to take this code and we're going to plug it into next gen. I simply copy the code here. So we're just going to come onto TradingView now and click paste. And this is going to bring up our settings for a gold strategy on the 30-minute time frame. Now, we can see this is making 72% a year, 4.24% drawdown, 118 trades in total with a 49% strike rate. So it's not where we want it to be. We're now going to manipulate this using the AI and the next gen software to delete anything that doesn't work for this strategy. So as we can see here over on the right-hand side, we can see that Wednesday is in fact losing money. Let's come on to the next gen settings. Let's turn off Wednesday, and it's now going to back test 1 year's worth of data and remove Wednesday's data. Again, this has happened in a matter of seconds. We've now got an 88% profit, a 3.26% drawdown, 88 trades, and 59% strike rate. So if we just flick Wednesday back on again, we can see it had 74% profit and a 4.2% drawdown. So we're just going to remove Wednesday. It's now dropped by over 40 trades. It's got a better drawdown and it has a higher profit over the course of the last 12 months. But that's not it. Let's look at other sessions. We can see London. It's making hardly any profit at all. So rather than place trades and risk capital in London for the sake of $269 a year, let's remove all of the London trades. And again, I remove London. It's now going to test again. And our drawdown has dropped again to 3%. Our profit has gone up to 91% profit. We've had 7 wins in a row with no more than 3 losses. So now we're going to look at a very unique setting within NextGen. We're going to bring up our NextGen settings and we're going to look at something called signal smoothing. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to look to remove a handful of losing trades while trying to keep as many winning trades as possible. And it does this with our special source code in the back end. So this is one of the secrets of NextGen. So we're going to tick signal smoothing. We can see the strategy actually got worse, okay? So we're going to work our way through. Let's see if 500 makes the strategy any better. Nope, makes it worse. So let's go with a systematic approach. Let's drop down to 400. Nope. 300. Still no better. Let's see if we can find the sweet spot. Here we are, even better. So what we have now we've used our signal smoothing tool, and remember, these tweaks to this strategy, if we wanted to find out this data as a manual trader, could have taken days or weeks. We've just done it in a matter of seconds. We now have a strategy that is 92% profitable over the year. As you can see here, this is based off of a 100K account. So if you had a prop firm account, an FTMO account, say with $100,000, this would have made $92,000 a year. It has a maximum drawdown of 2.35%. So it's never lost more than 3 trades, as you can see here. It's never been in more drawdown than 2.4%. It's had 11 wins in a row. And other than July last year, where it lost $1,000, it's been consecutively winning month on month, every single month, okay? Now, this is the power of NextGen. Now, not only is it going to build you this strategy, it's going to build you completely unique strategies based upon what you look for. So every single member of ours has a completely different and completely unique strategy created by NextGen for them, which means it's perfectly suitable for prop firms, which is why we've had almost $300 million worth of prop firm challenge passes, and we've got $3 million in verified prop firm payouts. This isn't someone else's strategy. This isn't a guru strategy that you've had to learn and then input it into a bot. NextGen has created this for you. Not only is it going to create the strategy, it's going to open the trades, close the trades, and manage the trades in every way, shape, and form. Trading is now completely hands-free with NextGen. If you want to see how it works in depth on Zoom call, click the link in my bio, sign up for a completely free Zoom call, and I'll show you exactly how it works, the success our members have had, and how you can get involved too.